Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Minneopa State Park in Minnesota, and I just wanted to share with you the double waterfall that's here. I'll show you what it looks like. I might not be talking much in this video because there's a lot of people walking around, so I'll just show you the beautifulness of it. Here is a huge drop from the waterfall. It's so cool and awesome to see in person. The video is not doing justice of how beautiful this looks, and this place does have weddings here, so if you guys are interested, you can see there's a wedding area up there to get married. But just thought I would share with you guys the beautiful nature here, and I know you guys like watching when I'm going somewhere, but I just want to show you another view of it up here. I highly recommend, if you're trying to find somewhere to get married, this is really romantic and beautiful to have the waterfall in the background. There's where we were standing earlier. So relaxing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe.